Hello Fly Babies, it's me, your Flylady Kat, and I'm here today to give you peace in your life, control in your home, and to help you learn how to finally love yourself. Today is Friday, and we have a 3-layer cake. First layer, our 5 routines. First routine, our morning routine, which we do before the children, and then the children's morning routine. Second routine, if you're staying home, a load of laundry. When you put the load of laundry in, while it's washing, go through 1 inch of paper. Those are 3 routines. If you are not staying home and you are going to work, then you're going to do the laundry and the paper when you get home. And then everyone is going to have dinner, and then after dinner routine, and before bed routine for your children, and then for yourself, or vice versa, depending on how tired you are. Okay, so those are the 5 routines. Now we're going to work in our zone. We are in zone 1, the entryway. Zone 1 started on Thursday. I hope that I told you it was zone 1 on Thursday. It is anyway. Zone 1 is Thursday. I think I did. Zone 1, so we're going to work a little bit more on our front porch today. You know, maybe you've gotten rid of your Halloween things, maybe you haven't, so do that. If you have, then do something else a little more detailed on the front porch or inside the house in the foyer. So that's what you're going to do today. And then the third thing we're going to do is our weekly our basic weekly plan, and that is our car and our purse day. That doesn't take very long at all, so this is a fun day for you to get a lot done. If you're working, you can do car and purse day at work very simply. And also, if you're working, you may have delegated the 6 things that we do in our in our Monday basic weekly plan item, which is weekly home blessing hour. So if you've got somebody doing the dusting one day, somebody doing the cleaning the spots on the glass one day, somebody emptying all the little garbage cans in the house one day, somebody mopping one day, somebody vacuuming one day, and then on Saturday, everybody strips their beds. Or you can do it yourself, depending on if you have people who you can delegate to or not. All right, you're going to do 3 clutter checks a day, checking for clutter in the morning, in the afternoon, and the evening. And that's it. Make sure you're checking your I need to change my cover, but check your planner and make sure that you are looking to see what's going on the next day. Today is date night, so you might not do a before bed routine. You might not even have supper with the children, but adjust that as you need. Have a wonderful day, and always remember that you are beautiful.